Hello guys, and welcome to another video of quick math tips. And for today's video, we're going to get the square of any number that ends in 5. So let's begin. So let's say we want to find the square of 65. So what should we do? So in this case, all we need to do first is take a look at the number before your 5. So in this case, we got 6. So we write down our 6 and then we multiply that with the number that we add 1 to 6. So 6 plus 1, that will just give us an answer of 7. So 6 times 7, that will just give us an answer of 42. And then we're just going to place 25 after your 42. So therefore, the square of 65 will just be 4,225. Easy, right? So let's take a look at another number. So let's say we want to find the square of 75. So again, how do we do that? Let's take a look at the number before your 5. So we now have 7, so we write down 7, and we multiply it to the number that we add 1 to 7, and that would just be 8. So we got 7 times 8, and that will just give us an answer of 56, and then we just write down 25 after your 56. So therefore, the square of 75 will just be 5,625. Easy, right? Let's try another number. So what happens if we want to find the square of 85? So that's 85, and we want to get the square. So again, let's take a look at the number before your 5. So we got 8. We write on our 8. We multiply it with the number that we add 1 to 8. And that will just give us 9. So we now have 8 times 9. That will just give us an answer of 72. And then we just have to place 25 after your 72. So we now have an answer of 7,225. Let's try it out again. So let's say we want to find the square of 55. So what's the number before your 5? Oh, we got another 5. So again, we have 5. Multiply it to the number that we add 1 to 5, and that will just give us a 6. So 5 times 6, that will just give us an answer of 30. And then we attach the number 25. So the final answer will just be 3,025. Now, you might be asking, will this also be possible for a 3-digit number that ends in 5 and we want to find its square? Let's try it out. So let me just create a new layer. Okay, so let's say we want to find the square of 875. So let me just write it down. I want to find out the square of 875. So let's take a look at the number before your 5. So in this case, that's going to be 87. So we want to take note the entire number before your 5. So again, likewise, we write down your 87, and then we multiply it with the number that we add 1 to 87. So we now have 87 plus 1. That will just give us an 88. Now, just in case if you don't know how to multiply two-digit numbers, there is a link to a video tutorial at the description just down below. So let's continue. So let's say we want to multiply 87 times 88. Let's multiply first your first number to your first number. So 8 times 8, that will just give us a 64. And then we leave a space. And then we multiply your last digit all the way to your last digit. So you have 7 times 8. That will just give us an answer of 56. We write down the 6 as our last digit. And then for the 5, we bring it down just underneath that multiplication sign. Next step, we multiply your inner to your inner. So 7 times 8, that will just give us, again, that's a 56. And then you multiply your outer to your outer. So in this case, 8 times 8, that will just give us an answer of 64. So therefore, let's just try to add them up all together. 5 plus 56 plus 64. That will just give us a total answer of 125. So what do we do with our 125? We write down our 5, and then we write down our 12 on top of our 64. Then we add them up all together. So 1 plus 6, that will just give us 7. 2 plus 4, that will just give us a 6. We bring down your 5. Then we bring down your 6. So therefore, 87 multiplied to 88 will just be equal to 7,656. But we're not yet done. We try to rewrite everything again. So therefore, we now have 7, 6, 5, 6. And then we just, after, yes, in most like, after your 7, 6, 5, 6, oops, let me rewrite our 6 again. We just write down that 25. So the process will always still be the same. So therefore, guys, if we want to find the square of 875, that will just give us an answer of 765,625. And that concludes our video for today. Again, guys, that's how to find the square of any number that ends in 5. So if you like this video and want to see more similar videos just like this, please hit the like and subscribe buttons. Thank you, and see you next time.